Hey, it's Jim with Rupert's Woodworks. I was getting some messages on my Facebook and Instagram page asking me where I've been, and it's been a long winter. I went away for the holidays around Christmas time, and I came home to a broken pipe in my shop. So I have a two-car garage here, and over half of it was filled with ice. I had a big skating rink in here. Luckily, none of my tools were affected, other than my outdoor tools, my snowblower and lawnmower. I'll try to post some pics. It was nuts. So we came home on New Year's Eve to an ice rink in the garage, and it actually seeped underneath into my family room where we spend most of our time. So to make a long story short, it damaged my power washer, my snowblower, my weed whacker, and my lawnmower. So I had to go through the hassle. I ended up turning it into my insurance, and we had to get new carpeting, and then I ripped out all the baseboards and put in new baseboards, and a whole mess. So that's where I have been. My shop was an absolute disaster zone for about a month, where I really couldn't do any work and kind of got away from it. I did get back in the shop last week though, when I cut up all the baseboards and everything, and kind of got things organized again. I'll take you guys around here in a second, and this is compared to what it looked like is clean. So it's not where I want to be, but we're getting there. In the meantime, like I said, I did all the baseboards and everything, kind of got the ball rolling again. And another thing that really got me motivated, I've had a Grizzly bandsaw for about probably over 2 years now, and I've never been able to dial it in right. I've watched all these different videos of how to set it up and this and that, and I've tried it, and it won't cut straight. And I don't know if it was my blade or how I just set it up, but it basically took everything apart and put it back together. Not really everything, but I took the blade off and the guides and everything, and I got it dialed in. So I was really happy with that and was able to cut a bunch of square lines and make everything straight. So that kind of got me going. I also have a large pile of scrap hardwood that was given to me, and I got it over a year ago, and like any woodworker, I was hoarding it. So I went through that and picked out some pieces, and I'm going to start to try to do a lot of scrap projects. So I actually have a cutting board glued up right now, and I'm going to start to go through that and try to do little things just to maybe sell or give away as gifts. I have 3 kids, and they're getting bigger, and we want to go to Disney. So we're going to try to start making little projects and giving them away as gifts, and maybe selling a couple of them so that we can start a little fund for Disney. It's quite expensive, so I will take you around. Like I said, this is clean now, so bear with me. And I don't have a selfie stick, so it does look pretty messy, but the pipe broke over in this corner here, and I just redid my attic and put a floor up there. So I had all these pieces of OSB, and that held actually most of the water, but all of this stuff was completely covered in ice. I still have my lawnmower and power washer over there, even though they are broken, because there's really nowhere to put them. And I finally got around to finishing this set of cornhole boards, so I should be putting a video up here soon. And then over in the other corner, you can see my scrap pile of hardwoods. So I have a bunch of black walnut and cherry and maple and all sorts of other things. Sorry, I'm on a tripod and it's getting caught on things. So I'm going to start to try to use up some of that stuff. So here you can see I have a cutting board glued up, and maybe I'll post a video of that. I'm not sure. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and I'll also leave a link to the site for how I finally dialed in my bandsaw. So probably, now that it's working, I might get a riser kit for it or a resaw fence. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Like I said, I appreciate all the comments and everything on Facebook and Instagram, If you don't follow me, I will leave the links below. So check me out on there. I try to post some updates of what I'm doing in the shop, and the same with YouTube. I haven't been posting much because I've been busy tearing out carpet and cleaning up the shop and getting rid of ice. So if there's anything you'd like to see me build with my scrap projects, leave a comment. I'd love to have some ideas. I have a big list on my phone, but with 3 kids and a full-time job, it's kind of hard to make time for my hobby, but I would like to start working on that scrap pile. So if there's any ideas, shoot me a message on Facebook, or leave a comment below, or give me a message on Instagram as well. So just wanted to give you guys an update. I know it's been a while. Look for the cornhole board video soon. I should be posting that this week sometime. So that's all I got. Take care.